Good morning, everyone. Sunday morning, 7th of December 2025, 6:40 a.m. It's in the low 70s here, temperature wise. Perfect temperature for an early morning walk. I'm coming up immediately to the El Batey side beach plaza, which, as you've been following the channel, you'll know, the remodeling of Sosúa Beach. Here it is right here. Obviously no one's working yet this morning. Hopefully when we get round to the other side, we'll be able to take a sneak peek inside, see how it's coming along. So hang around if you want to see that. And in the meantime, let's take a walk through the town of Sosúa in December 2025. Might be having some technical difficulties with the camera. Anyway, we're on Pedro Clisante. Still, it's way before 7 a.m. Nothing's open. It is a Sunday. I say nothing's open, but looks like good old Cafe Cubano is. This is the old Classicos, or the new Classicos, still yet to open. But it looks like they've done a really nice job remodeling it. There they go. That's a disused US school bus that we commonly see used around here to transport hotel employees. Alright, I can already see in the foreground blues and twos. Dime, Edward.
Hola, comandante.
¿Cómo tú estás?
Bien.
¿Qué hay para allá? ¿Problema?
No, es una competencia de buceo, voy en la playa.
¿Competencia de buceo?
Sí, señor.
Oh, pues vamos para allá. ¿Cómo tú estás? ¿Todo bien? Igual, igual. Estoy grabando una vainita aquí para YouTube. Yeah. So, apparently, there's no sort of tragedy, but thankfully, some sort of diving competition. Let's check it out. I might just record discreetly because obviously nowhere in the world do the police like getting recorded, and it is Sunday morning, so I might just switch it off until we know a little more. So we are here in Calle Sin Salida, and from what I can gather, there's some sort of free diving competition about to commence. Loads of 9/11 workers, police. There's a boat over there from Defensa Civil, also over there. This is what Playa Alicia looks like in December at 7 in the morning. Anyway, we'll not be hanging around here to catch that, but looks very nice here at the moment. So we've left Playa Alicia, Calle Sin Salida. I hadn't noticed they got a new sign up at Fraggle Rock Bar Restaurant. Lovely sign. They must have closed early because it's almost 7 AM and you can't hear anyone. Normally that place is 24/7 anyway. I'll cut that bit out. So anyway, here we are at the intersection of Alejo Martinez and David Stern Street. And of course, you may have heard in the news about Hard Rock Cafe opening a couple of months ago. We have not done a review on Hard Rock Cafe. Why? Because probably there's no reason to. If you've ever been to one, they're pretty much the same format worldwide over. Not my style of bar restaurant, but many people that have been enjoy. So all power to them. It is a big investment for the area. So come in, check it out, buy yourself a lovely t-shirt or whatever you want. But the prices for beers in there are a little bit spicy for my liking. Anyway, the less said about my drinking habits, perhaps the better. There we are, we've looped around. Obviously this is a lovely little map. They used to have a printed version of this back in the days, or very similar in that style. The old La Roca, I guess it was painted for the Sosua 10K in October. Who knows what the story is really with that. 24/7 restaurant, Casa Coco. Sosúa Bay, where the new Leo's Banana restaurant is. And of course, Osteria Toscana. Truth be told, these are the best wings in Sosúa. If you want chicken wings, I don't know what their recipe is, but flip-flop, 100% best wings. Chicken wings in Sosúa. Flavorful. Flavorful. So it really is early on a Sunday morning if there's only 2 cars in the beach car park. Let's see what the beach is saying from this side. Lots of boats parked out there as normal. One guy swimming. Now, let's take a look at this. Huh. Okay, so. That's an imposing structure. Looks certainly at least 3 levels. So imagining access from, or at least road access, vehicular access from the other side. See if there's a point we can perhaps penetrate, get inside. Yeah, that is 3 levels. I should know, I've been there before from the other side. We're not getting in from here though either. Anyway. It should look very chic when it's completed. In the meantime, this is still what the old beach looks like. And we wish the current business owners all the best in their future endeavors, whether they've got places in the new plazas or not. Wow, this place is gone. Kathy and Remy. I've not been down here for a while, but this was here the last time I was here. That's gone. That guy used to be here every morning cleaning up. Wow. Yeah, it's beginning to, you can note the change. Buenos dias! The old Mofongo King, one of the nicest restaurants on the beach. Hey man, buen día. ¿Cómo tú estás? ¿Todo bien? Really, what a lovely piece of real estate this is. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. All them boats in the bay. Lovely weather for it. Well, these videos become quite relevant 20 years from now, when everything is once again more different. So let's hope that they stay on YouTube forever, so people in the future can see what it used to look like. Right, now we get a proper view of what's going on here. That's a whole little village going on. Look at all that. Slated to be open January or February next year. That's only a couple of months away. Well, that's what they look like. Pretty impressive. Well, I guess we come to the end of this morning's Sosúa walk. And you can note what's changed and what hasn't. Anyway, it's pretty beautiful weather this time of the year. Come down, check the place out. And if you haven't already, please do us that huge favor and hit the subscribe button wherever it may be. Turn on the notification bells. And that's it for now. I'm off for a coffee and a breakfast. And we will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.